In this tutorial, we'll see how to switch accounts on Discord mobile. If you're using Discord on your mobile device and need to manage multiple accounts, you can utilize the Discord web version in conjunction with the app, and here's how to switch between accounts. Begin by opening your preferred mobile browser, such as Chrome or Safari. Navigate to the Discord web version by entering the URL in the browser's address bar. Once on the Discord web page, log into your secondary Discord account by entering your username and password. Ensure that you're logging in with the account you wish to switch to. In some cases, when you log into the Discord web version on your mobile browser, you may be automatically redirected to the Discord app. If this happens, simply return to your mobile browser and refresh the page. This action should prevent the redirection and allow you to remain logged in to the web version of your secondary account. After successfully logging in with your secondary account on the web version, you may encounter a login button or similar option. Tap on it to confirm your login and proceed to access Discord platform with your secondary account. Just know that if you continue to experience redirection to the Discord app despite refreshing the page, try accessing the web version in incognito mode. This can sometimes bypass the automatic redirection. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.